Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So today we're going to talk about this very unique booster that some of you received, some of you didn't receive as well, and how a lot of these items are going to be freebies and a lot of them like $8-ish money makers. So this is absolutely terrific. If you could do me a huge favor and give this video a thumbs up, it would really help me out. So if you could just take a quick second and like this video, I would be so grateful. Okay guys, so this is the booster in question. It is earn $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $1, and it's valid from the 6th till the 8th. So it's valid Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, that window only. You go and use this today. Today is the 5th. It's not going to work because it actually starts on the 6th. Be very mindful of that, guys. So about 30% of you probably have this. Again, the booster is of a one-time use. Even if it's still hanging out in your account, it's a one and done, and it's valid from those dates only. Please pay attention to those dates. It will stack with a paper booster, or if you have a booster like spend 25 on allergy, get back 7, it'll stack with that digital as well. But the key is you must spend a minimum of $1, so please pay attention to that as well. So the first deal that we're going to look at is with the Dawn dish soap. So these are on a promotion this week that when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $1 register reward. Make sure you have your best friend loaded, $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $1. Here it is. Grabbing 2 of those, it's going to be $2.48. Have your booster loaded. And make sure to spend at least $1. So if you were going to use some Walgreens cash, I think you could only use $1 of Walgreens cash. Then you're getting back that $1 register reward and $10 of Walgreens cash. And it makes it like, I think like an $8-ish money maker. So that's really good. Remember to spend at least $1. I am quite forgetful that I would be like, yeah, use the full $2. And then I would be short. So if you're anything like me, just really be mindful to spend at least $1 of on your debit card or $1 with cash bills. Okay, the second deal that we have is with these Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. Probably a staple in everybody's house. You need a couple of these. Make sure that you have your booster loaded for this deal. We're also going to have this digital coupon loaded, $3.25 off of 2. Okay, guys, grabbing 2 of those Magic Erasers, it's $6.58. Subtracting that digital coupon, have your booster loaded. You're going to pay the balance of $3.33. You could theoretically use $2 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.33 out of pocket. And you're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash. How fantastic is that? Okay, the next deal that we have is on the Fancier Toms of Maine for $4.99. Unfortunately, I don't see a digital coupon that's attaching with this guy as of today. $3 in Walgreens cash back when you buy one of these products. How lovely is that? So, as you guessed, you need your best friend loaded, which is earn $10 when you spend $1. Okay, here it is, mes amis. One of the Toms of Maine for $4.99. Have your booster loaded, and you're getting back $13 in Walgreens cash. So, if you wanted to use I would go with $3 of Walgreens cash and pay the $1.99. Probably the smartest way to do it if you wanted to use a bit of Walgreens cash. But what a fantastic deal for this Fancier toothpaste. Okay, now we're getting 2 of the complete home bags for $2.79. They're on this goofy promotion of buy 1, get 2 for free. So we're also going to have our little friend loaded. And if you got one of these, you're so lucky because I wish I would have gotten one this go around. But grabbing 3 of these complete homes for $2.79. Have your booster loaded. You're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash. But make sure that you're paying at least one of those dollars out of pocket. For $2.79, I would pay the full amount because I would do something stupid like use $3 in Walgreens cash and be like, "Where's my booster?" I always do stupid stuff like that. Okay, now this is a really good deal on the Dial body wash. They are 2 for $7 this week. We have a very generous digital coupon to accompany, which is a 3 off of 2. So make sure you have that one loaded. So make sure that you have your friend loaded, which is this booster. So grabbing 2 of those Dial body washes for $7, subtracting that digital, pay 4 out of pocket. Or alternatively, you could use a bit of Walgreens cash, like 3, and then pay that $1 out of pocket. And then you're going to get $10 back in Walgreens cash. So that's really fantastic. And if you're like me and you would make a mistake of using the full $4 instead of $3, just be really mindful at checkout that you don't mess up. But what an exciting booster. If you have it, use it. and I'm really jealous. I would love to have that booster this week. Okay, now a lot of you got this one, which is to spend 22, get back 6. And I think this is a really fantastic deal to throw in the mix to grab 1 Bounce dryer sheet, 1 Tide Pod, 1 Tide Liquid, and 1 Downy fabric softener. So a mix of these. To get you right to the $22 mark, let's also grab a candy at checkout. These guys are 33 cents, so grab one of them. These are the digital coupons that you're going to load for all of the detergent. It's $1 off of each. But, if you're super particular or if you don't like stuff that I picked, you can always choose whatever is attaching with the digital coupon. Looking at the math here, we're going to grab an assortment of Tide, Bounce, and Downy products for $21.96, 1 caramel for 33 cents for a new total of $22.29. Make sure you have your booster loaded of spend 22, get back 6, $4 of digitals melting off. With your debit card, pay $18.29. Get back one $5 register reward for buying 4 of those products, plus $6 in Walgreens cash, shaking this out to $7.29 for the 4 laundry products, or $1.82 per. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. This is a much larger basket of spend 22 to get back 6 versus spending $1 to get back 10, which is a goofy one. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.